All right, boys and girls, as somebody who, according to my wife, snores, I don't have any actual proof of this. Trying out a new pillow. I gotta admit, I bought this. I didn't even realize it came in different colors. But I think this goes really well with the bedspread in bed, anyhow. So we're gonna try this out tonight, and I am gonna let you know what I think. All right, so we got first nice thoughts here, people. Only drawback on this, at least based on how they show it being used in the pictures, this is supposed to be where your arm goes. Maybe, I don't know. I kept waking up with my arm underneath it, and I kept waking up because my wife's phone kept going off because I married a nurse and she was on call, so life happens. Anyhow, however, comfort, absolutely worth it. Really enjoyed this. The little dip in the middle really helps. If you're a back sleeper, I did try laying on it like that. It was relatively comfortable. I am a side sleeper and occasionally a stomach sleeper. So for me, absolutely super comfortable. Other than the notifications going off on the wife's phone, I slept like a baby all through the night. I did have a previous one that I was using that I don't know if you can tell because I've got the pillowcase on it, but it's got kind of like the thick side here. And this one did a little bit, is doing, a decent amount for me sleeping and, not snoring all night long. But this one was way more comfortable, slept way better. And yeah, it's going to be taking over the spot as my new pillow. It was relatively cool, didn't have to flip it over, which is probably good because I don't really think that this is a flip it over type pillow. It's just not the same thing. So I did enjoy that. No flipping over. Also didn't have to flip it under my head. And even though I didn't end up using these little arm flaps and I ended up with my arm underneath the pillow, it was comfortable. This is memory foam. And yeah, I mean, obviously this is just day one thoughts, but so far, loving it. Definitely worth picking up. And I will catch you guys later.